Hello, I'm Chris Frederick, president of the Automotive Training Institute. My clients and friends call me Chubby. My three passions, as it were, here at ATI are muscle cars, fishing, and what got this business started was helping shop owners grow. I started helping them grow in 1971 when I was driving a red Sun truck, and I was a Sunman, for those of you out there who've been around long enough to know what a Sunman looked like back then. And back then the business was pretty easy. It was pretty easy to make money. The most difficult thing that we had to face was electronic ignition systems coming out, and high energy ignition system we thought was going to put all of us out of business, but what we came to learn is that we adapted to that pretty well. Over time, selling diagnostic time became the next difficult thing we help people with, and at ATI we actually began training 200 technicians a week on diagnostic and drivability skills. Today, it's a bit harder to make money in the automotive service business. We have a lot of things that are making it more complicated. Number one is the cars are so much more reliable. The problems per 100 cars have gone way down, which is decreasing car count. Then we have the new car dealers that aren't making much money selling new cars, and they have to make their service department go, and which means they have to steal people from our business. We don't work with new car dealers here at ATI, and we get calls from them all the time, but you know as well as I do, they are becoming a bigger and bigger threat every year. Then on top of that, the cars are becoming more complicated. The technician shortages out there is unbelievable right now. And the people cost that it takes to put a team on the ground between workman's comp and health insurance and everything else, the cost of doing business today is incredible. And with costs going up, car count going down, this business has got extremely difficult to exist in. What we've done at ATI is trying to figure out an easy way to help you increase your car count, increase your cash profits, make life competing with the car dealers much easier, and for those of you that are already doing great, help you stay the best automotive service center in town. One of the unique things about our business is that we hold ourselves accountable to implement change, which means each and every week we know what works and what doesn't work all over the US and Canada.
My name is Greg Caldwell, and I've worked with ATI probably over the last 6 years. First heard about them probably 7 years ago on their one-day boot camp, and was interested but declined the offer. Thought about it over the next year and had another offer to go, and went, and have had no regrets. Probably one of the better things I've done. Out of that one-day boot camp, I was able to pick up some great ideas on my parts margins, labor margins, sublet margins, and that I've taken my shop from probably under $500,000 in sales to up over $2 million. So it's been very successful for me.
I've learned a lot today. I knew a lot about the business, but didn't really know a lot about the percentages and how a lot of shops determine, you know, their gross profit on their different jobs. But that's probably one of the biggest things I've learned today.
Back then, I didn't know what I didn't know. To clarify that a little bit, I just had no idea of some of these ideas. I had a belief system that was just stuck, and it was a technician's standpoint. So to get brought away from that and be told it's okay to make a profit, it's okay to do this. Absolutely, I would recommend. Take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, whatever it takes. Take a day to let it settle in when you go back, and sit down and make a plan and do it. 10 years ago I did that. I've been growing. Everything has worked well since.
Hi, I'm Bruce Nation with Westlake Independent Honda and Acura Service in Westlake Village, California. And my wife made me go to a boot camp for ATI. I didn't want to go. I didn't think I'd learn anything. And I'm sure glad I did, because it changed my life.
We were invited to an ATI boot camp through our franchise dealership. My husband went for the first one. Went in with, I gotta go to this, it's part of my dealership. Went there, came out excited, re-energized, you know, changed a lot of his thoughts. It was a business that we weren't sure we wanted to be in anymore. So for him to come through and come home screaming, you gotta go, he signed me up for the second one, which was just an eye-opening experience. Made a big difference in our lives. We weren't gonna stay in business 5 years later after our first ATI boot camp. We're more energized and more involved than ever before.
The ATI boot camp is a very good thing. It's scary at first to think that you really do need help, but most of us in this industry do, and it gets you passionate about profits and getting your business where you can enjoy it again and be where you want to be.
As you come into ATI, you'll see our mission statement, and many companies have mission statements. We created it internally with all 84 associates, and it really has a lot of meaning to us. The first sentence is driving profits and dreams home. Many of you went into business to get a life, not to have your life taken away by working 100 hours a week. And we realized that money's not everything. So we knew that early on we had to help people get where they want to go and get more free time and spend more time with their family. So those dreams are really important to us. However, a lot of these things stem from not having enough money, and if you had plenty of cash, you could afford middle management to run the business without you being there. So a lot of our focus is working on trying to increase and drive profits to your house. Now, and to do that, it's really quite challenging because many of us just don't focus on the money and we're not money motivated. Many of us are just motivated when we need cash, and when we want some, we begin to focus on it. But what I find from hanging out with just thousands of shop owners all over the U.S., most of you are really recognition dependent. You'd rather have somebody from the family hug you and thank you for taking care of their car and their children than you would to make the almighty dollar. And as long as you'd rather have hugs than money, you're going to have a problem making money because you're just not going to focus long and hard enough on it. So at ATI, what we try to do in our one-day cash profit boot camp is spend the time teaching you how to focus on the cash and getting you back into increasing the business so you have a 20 to 30% net profits. We've got to focus on the bottom line. So here at ATI, we're going to show you how to do that today.
The industry is changing fast. What are you doing to be ahead of the wave? Don't wait. Invest in yourself and call now to reserve your seat at one of our workshops in your area. Align yourself with industry experts. Discover the 3 industry-shaking trends that most owners are not aware of. Gain control of the car count roller coaster. Immediately earn 3 to 8% more profit. That's $30,000 to $40,000 cash in a year in many cases. Enjoy more free time. Learn how to double the value of your business. Instill the same passion that you have for your business in each and every one of your employees. Use our industry-shaking trends to compete with the dealer and dominate your market. We'll include a custom on-site business analysis and consultation at your facility by a professional ATI consultant. Call an ATI representative today. Call 888-471-5800, extension 9157. That's 888-471-5800, extension 9157. ATI, driving profits and dreams home.